Scientists in research and drug development use antibodies to recognize, identify, and bind to specific cell types. There are millions of antibodies available. How can a scientist determine which antibody is best for their application? Advanced Targeting Systems has an amazing technology that can save scientists time and resources to identify the perfect antibody. It's called the ZAP Antibody Internalization Kit. The ZAP Antibody Internalization Kit screens antibodies for specificity to a particular cell type by revealing binding and internalization. A cytotoxicity assay gives definitive results. If the antibody is specific to the cells you want to target, the cells die. Here's how it works. A secondary antibody is conjugated to a ribosome inactivating protein called saccharin. Saccharin is unable to enter a cell on its own. Mix the primary antibody with the secondary antibody saccharin conjugate. The antibody is now armed and able to zap any cell it enters. The antibody binds to a cell surface marker and is internalized, taking the saccharin inside the cell with it. Once inside the cell, saccharin inactivates the ribosome, shutting down protein synthesis and causing cell death. Only the cells that recognize your antibody will be affected. Screen a single antibody or hundreds of antibodies to find the most specific antibody for your research or drug development application. Use the data generated using the ZAP kit to write your next publication, apply for grant funding, or move your drug development efforts to the next level. Visit the ATS website to find the ZAP kit that is right for screening your antibodies.